Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna guide you through how you can easily log into your Shopify.com account. Logging into Shopify.com is super easy. First of all, launch open any web browser on your computer or your laptops or even your mobile devices or tablets. In the URL box at the top, type in Shopify.com and search. You'll find yourself in the official website for Shopify. From the home page, go to the top right corner and click the login button. Now you'll end up in the login screen of Shopify. In the login page, go ahead and enter your email address associated with your Shopify account, or you can also sign in using Apple accounts, Facebook accounts, or Google accounts credentials. Since I previously signed up with email, I'm going to type in the email in the text box. Write down your correct email address in the Shopify account's email tab. After typing down your email, click Continue with Email button. Now, on the next field, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Type down your correct password in the text box. If you don't remember your password, click the Forgot Password link and follow through the instructions. After filling down your credential, click Login, and there you have it. You have successfully logged into your existing Shopify account. After you're logged in, you can then go ahead and start selling products and services in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.